Oh no! This is a super mini cell. Crazy! Where's that airplane coming from? Wow! All right. Cheers, Luis. Oh no! Come on, exit from there. That is super dangerous. Charlie Bravo, developing. We're about to feel the power, the thunder, the lightning of a super mini cell. Yep, right about there. It's twisting. Twisty, twisty. Oh no. Yep, and the rain is way over there. Yeah, this is coming from south to north. And this is about to develop right there. This is the beauty of Mother Nature. Is this a super mini cell or just a Charlie Bravo? You tell me. See ya!